The World Team Table Tennis Championships London 2026 was one of the most emotional and exciting team events in recent history. From incredible comebacks to unforgettable finals, the tournament showed the power of teamwork, fighting spirit, and national pride. In the end, Team China once again proved why they remain the strongest table tennis nation in the world, winning both the men's and women's team titles. On the men's side, Team China captured their 24th Swaithling Cup and achieved an unbelievable 12 consecutive World Team Championships titles. The Chinese men defeated Team Japan 3-0 in the final after 3 high-level battles. Liang Jingkun made an incredible comeback against Tomokazu Harimoto after losing the first 2 games. Wang Chuqin controlled the match against Sora Matsushima with powerful attacking play. Lin Shidong completed the victory with a strong performance against Shunsuke Togami. The Chinese men's team included Wang Chuqin, Lin Shidong, Liang Jingkun, Zhou Qihao, and Xiang Peng. Wang Chuqin was also awarded the Victor Barner Award as the best male player of the tournament, confirming his leadership and consistency on the biggest stage. Japan finished as runner-up and once again showed they are one of the most dangerous teams in the world. Tomokazu Harimoto led the team with passion and energy, while young stars Sora Matsushima and Shunsuke Togami demonstrated the bright future of Japanese table tennis. The Japanese team included Tomokazu Harimoto, Sora Matsushima, Yukiya Yude, Shunsuke Togami, and Hiroto Shinozuka. Chinese Taipei earned the bronze medal with another solid tournament performance, led by Lin Yunju. France also reached the podium with an exciting generation of players including Félix Lebrun, Alexis Lebrun, Simon Gauzy, Flavien Coton, and Thibaut Porret. France continues to rise and may become an even bigger threat in future world events. In the women's competition, Team China also defended their dominance by winning their 24th Corbeillon Cup and 7th consecutive women's team world title. The final against Japan was dramatic and emotional. Japan pushed China to the limit in a thrilling 3-2 battle. Miwa Harimoto shocked the world by defeating Wang Manyu in 5 games with fearless attacking play. Honoka Hashimoto also gave Japan another point with her victory over Kwai Man, but when the pressure became highest, Sun Yingsha showed why she is the best player in the world. She completely dominated both Hina Hayata and Miwa Harimoto in crucial matches to carry China to the championship. Wang Manyu then returned strongly to defeat Hina Hayata in the final match and secure the title for China. The Chinese women's team included Sun Yingsha, Wang Manyu, Chen Xingtong, Kwai Man, and Wang Yidi. Sun Yingsha received the Diane Scholar Award as the best female player of the tournament for the 2nd consecutive World Team Championships. Japan finished with the silver medal and earned massive respect from fans around the world. Miwa Harimoto became one of the biggest stars of the tournament with her fearless performances. The Japanese women's team included Miwa Harimoto, Rin Omoda, Hina Hayata, Honoka Hashimoto, and Miyu Nagasaki. Germany and Romania both earned bronze medals after strong campaigns. Germany relied on the experience of Han Ying and Sabine Winter, while Romania once again showed their fighting spirit with Bernadette Sox leading the team. London 2026 will be remembered as a tournament filled with emotion. Coaches cried, players cried, fans celebrated unforgettable victories and heartbreaking defeats. But above all, the World Team Championships once again proved why team table tennis is one of the most beautiful events in sports.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.